The 2026 Volkswagen Karmann Ghia is finally here, and it's bringing with it a wave of nostalgia combined with modern flair. This legendary nameplate from Volkswagen, once known for its elegant curves and timeless charm, has been reimagined for the new era, keeping its soul intact while upgrading everything else. Whether you're a fan of the original or seeing it for the first time, the new Karmann Ghia is set to leave a lasting impression. On the outside, the 2026 Karmann Ghia is an absolute showstopper. The designers have done an exceptional job blending retro design cues with contemporary lines. The car's silhouette still carries that familiar teardrop shape with a low stance, wide arches, and that subtle elegance. The front features sleek, full LED headlights integrated into a smoothed-out fascia that nods to the original's rounded look. The grille is minimal yet stylish, with a subtle chrome line running across, giving it a clean but premium appearance. The rear is just as captivating. Taillights are modern LED units, but their shape and positioning are a beautiful homage to the classic. You'll also notice the flush door handles, chrome accents around the windows, and optional two-tone paint schemes that give this car that distinctive vintage modern aesthetic. Step inside, and it becomes clear that Volkswagen is serious about luxury and innovation. The interior of the 2026 Karmann Ghia is a masterclass in retro modern design. The dashboard features soft-touch materials, stitched leather inserts, and brushed aluminum highlights. A large 12.9-inch infotainment display dominates the center console, equipped with VW's latest B4 system, offering seamless connectivity through Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and Volkswagen's proprietary voice assistant. The digital driver's display is crisp and highly customizable, blending analog-style dials with high-resolution graphics. The steering wheel is leather-wrapped, flat-bottomed, and features haptic controls that are both intuitive and responsive. Seating is another area where the Karmann Ghia shines. The front bucket seats offer excellent support, with 14-way power adjustability, heating, cooling, and even a massage function in the premium trims. The upholstery options include classic plaid fabric as a tribute to VW's heritage, as well as high-quality leather for those who prefer a more upscale feel. Rear seats are more for occasional use or additional cargo space, but they are finished to the same high standard. Lighting runs throughout the cabin with 30 color choices, giving you the flexibility to set the mood however you like. Under the hood, the 2026 Karmann Ghia is offered with two powertrain options. The base model is powered by a 2.0-liter turbocharged inline-4 engine producing 241 horsepower and 273 pounds-ft of torque, paired with a smooth 7-speed dual-clutch automatic transmission. This configuration is front-wheel drive and can go from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just under 6.5 seconds. For those wanting more excitement, Volkswagen is also offering a performance-oriented Ghia R version. This variant features a hybrid setup, the same 2.0-liter turbo engine coupled with an electric motor, delivering a combined 322 horsepower and all-wheel drive. With this setup, it launches from 0 to 60 in around 4.7 seconds and offers improved handling and traction thanks to VW's 4Motion system. The ride quality of the new Karmann Ghia is refined and composed. Thanks to its adaptive suspension system, it balances comfort and sportiness extremely well. In comfort mode, it glides smoothly over rough roads, while in sport mode, the suspension tightens up. The steering becomes more responsive and throttle response sharpens. The chassis is well balanced and body roll is minimal, making it fun to drive on twisty roads. Safety and driver assistance technologies are generous, as expected from Volkswagen. Standard features include adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, forward collision warning with automatic emergency braking, and a 360-degree camera. The Karmann Ghia also comes with a semi-autonomous driving mode for highway cruising, providing added convenience and peace of mind. When it comes to pricing, the 2026 Volkswagen Karmann Ghia starts at around $34,000 for the base model. The mid-tier trims with added features, premium audio, and upgraded interiors push the price to about $39,000. The high-performance Ghia R version starts at approximately $45,000 and can go beyond $50,000 with all options included. While this may seem like a premium for a compact coupe, what you're getting is a truly unique blend of style, history, and cutting-edge engineering. Overall, the 2026 Karmann Ghia isn't just a rehash of an old classic, it's a bold reinvention that honors its legacy while confidently stepping into the future. For those looking for something different in a world full of SUVs and look-alike sedans, this car offers personality, performance, and pure driving pleasure. Whether you're a classic car lover or a new-gen driver wanting something iconic, the new Karmann Ghia is a serious contender.